Well, we haven't interviewed anybody yet, and I was just talking to a gentleman down here that moved in over here on Mulberry, I think.
Yep.
Okay.
And I was next week I'm going to get in here and find out what's going on with everybody. But tell everybody who you are.
Oh, me? They
Yeah.
call me Miss D.
Miss
I have
D.
little babies that I take care of, other people's babies, so
Yeah.
they call me Miss D.
Ms. D.
Miss D.
Okay. And you live in a 10 by
A
20.
10 by 20
On the Grove.
on the Grove.
All right. So I got to turn my phone off.
Very happy with my home, except I don't have a light out there, but I was told that the stucco guy's got to come and stucco it. So it's going to be
Exactly.
sage green, and I'm going to put a basket, what do you call them, the planter basket?
Flower box.
In by my
Oh, that'll
in-
look awesome.
Yes.
Now, do you get a porch in front of yours?
No, what I wanted to do was
Okay.
look at it first and
Yeah.
see,
Perfect.
and if I want a porch on there, then
How
I'll put
big
one
and
on.
what you wanted
Yeah.
to do with it?
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, good. But I'm glad you're here. I just want everybody to see that there's a real life Grove person
Yes,
here.
here I am.
Yep, yep. And that your neighbor, for some reason, we get people that just were not able to fulfill their contract, and we try to help them. Hey, we'll try to sell your house for you. So that house next door is for sale.
Oh, the
Yeah.
house next door. I have to say, I love my little house.
Do ya?
Yes, I do.
Are
It's
you
got
moved
everything I
in?
need. I've got some of my stuff in. Some of my stuff is still in storage because, like most people,
Yeah.
I thought the furniture that I loved so dearly would fit in there, and then when I moved it in there, I had to move it out because it doesn't fit.
Oh my! What did you bring that didn't fit?
I had a buffet table.
Okay.
I had a desk, a computer desk, but a big one, and I had a bookcase.
Oh, okay.
And so now I just have to replace them, and they're for sale. So if anybody is interested, they're $50, $60, and they can go.
So they can come down here to 402 and talk to you.
That's right. They
Okay.
can do that. Yeah.
Awesome.
It's in the storage room. They can come and get it, and I'll take them over and take it. They can get at it.
You've been here 3 days.
3 days, and I slept in my house, and I felt really comfortable.
Good.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Originally New York City.
You're kidding.
No.
I'd have never known.
People say that all the time, but that's a lot of crock. You know that.
Yeah, I know it.
But I lived 32 years in California,
Wow.
San Diego. And my son passed away in 2018. And I decided I would get a tiny home. And then I saw you, and like I told you before, I saw you build that house for that veteran. And I said,
Yeah.
okay, then this is it.
Lord, that was years ago.
Oh.
How long ago was that?
5
5 years?
At least.
That was a 24-hour build we had.
Yes, 24. And I watched the whole
Did
thing.
you really?
I did. I watched the whole thing.
Yeah, that was crazy.
And when it was finished, I said, okay, now this is the place I need to be, and
Yeah.
I need to keep watching. And when something, and originally I was going to go to the mountain,
Right?
but something fell through, and I didn't go to the mountain, and I waited. And I said, okay, when the Grove came up, I said, okay, this is cool. I could do this.
So what do you think about the Grove? We're all under construction. We're going, but
But you're doing okay. And the track housing design is a pretty cool idea from the 50s.
okay.
Okay, I get it. Like you said, the only thing I see right now is that the parking part
Yep.
needs to be
We're going to
straightened.
flip this over and
Yeah.
help you like you suggested. So, oh, he's wanting to come in here. Come here, Ace. Yep.
Yeah, let's not get hit by the truck.
You know, somebody texted me the other day and said that this track housing in density that we're doing is becoming a thing now. They're actually developing more density like this. And I don't know if it's about tiny homes. I did it because we had such a demand. There was so many people needing a place.
And if you look back in the 50s, they were shacks. I mean, I did some research on them, but they
Yeah.
were shacks. These are not shacks.
No.
These are homes.
There you go.
So if you want a home, I think this is the way to go. If you are single by yourself, or
Yeah.
need a place that you don't want to be in this crazy world, the way things are going.
Yep.
That's what brought me here.
Yep. And we're not going to change. I mean, we're paid for. We're done. We're solid financially. You're home. You got 2 years free rent, and then it's $200 a month after that.
Well, you got it from me. Listen, you can't make that up, and you
I
can't.
know.
You'll blow it away.
Is that
That's
not
good.
crazy?
It is. But it's logical for now.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? It's logical for now.
Yeah.
For the times and what's going on with people and stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
Eventually, it may go up, but that would be with with everything. You
I mean,
know?
everything's got to go up a little bit, but this who we are as a company and what we're doing, it's never going to be following the trend of what's going on in the world. You know, I mean, I know expenses go up and cost of living goes up, and of course, you can't always just stay bottom, but it just be incrementally enough just to keep covering the costs or the the cost of living, you know, in the country.
And I think that's cool. And you know, we have to. The only thing I'm real crazy about is your weather. Your weather is a little weird.
We get some rain, don't we?
Rain.
Yeah.
I thought I was going through the.
It poured here.
Lord,
Yeah.
We got more coming. Next
Oh
couple
my
days.
gosh.
I
And
heard
it even
that.
hailed the other day,
Yeah.
you know?
Well, I've been in California for 32 years now. When I was
No rain.
we barely get rain. And when we
Right.
do, the first time I came in 1991,
Yeah.
it rained for 30 days. I said, where the hell am I? I'm not in California. It said
Yeah.
no rain. It never rains in California. But they said they hadn't had rain for like 30 something years, like that rain.
Wow.
And then as I lived there, the times have changed. So 7 years ago, we didn't have a lot of rain. Then we had a lot of rain. So, you know, it comes and goes.
Yeah. Well, here you get about 60 inches of rain a year. Constant.
My
It's always
flowers
like
will
that.
be blooming
Oh, yeah.
everywhere.
They're going to be green. Yep. Are you in a mess, or can we take a peek at your house?
My house is a mess.
Oh, come on.
It is. You want to see Matt? This is the beginning of, but it will be pretty later on. I've got.
Oh. Well, we're going to show this house, and it's real similar to yours because it's got the picture window.
Right.
It's got stuff in it. We'll come back, and we'll come back and visit
Yeah.
yours.
Yes, and I
Okay.
will be happy to let you.
You're sweet.
Yeah.
Good. Well, we're going to walk over here and show that one.
Okay.
And I'm going to flip your driveway.
Thank you.
We'll flip all these through
Yeah,
here.
because it makes sense. It
Yep.
doesn't make sense for them to be near the fences.
Yep. Well, if there's anybody who would ever admit to making a mistake or needing
It
ideas,
wasn't a mistake.
I-
It's just a
I'll
design.
be the first one to say it. Yeah.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you. Thanks for coming and just being a part of this.
I love it.
It just means a lot, you
It's
know?
a fam. It's going to be a really good community. And in fact,
Good.
I've been over to the Prairie.
Okay, yeah.
Michaela, Michaela and I became friends. She's
Good.
been helping me out a lot. So, yeah.
Okay.
And I think the house next to her is for sale. Somebody's selling it
Okay.
over there. So
Good.
You might remember that.
People move, it changes, life goes on, you know? But
Yeah.
good. Thank
All right.
you, Miss
Nice meeting
D.
you.
Thank you very much.
All right, we're going to do a tour over here.
All right.